Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Blow Mold Nativity is probably one of the most iconic Christmas decorations, instantly recognizable and evoking a sense of nostalgia. These illuminated figures, often crafted from durable plastic, bring the story of the Nativity to life in a charming and festive way. Whether you're a longtime collector or new to the world of holiday decor, the Blow Mold Nativity is a wonderful way to celebrate the season. Number 5. BCP 4 Feet Outdoor Nativity Scene. This outdoor decoration is perfect for your front lawn or backyard. It features a North Star above the silhouette for symbolic decor. This scene is a welcoming reminder of the true meaning of Christmas. It displays Joseph, Mary, and the baby Jesus, along with a sheep and donkey. You can freely arrange the figures around the manger. Feel free to recreate the scene with vibrant colors or a white backdrop for extra decorations. Made with durable, water-resistant PVC foam board, it can maintain its appearance in any inclement weather. Stakes are included to keep it secure. Setting up this decoration takes as little as 15 minutes. Disassembly is just as easy for compact storage after use. Overall dimensions are 21 L x 45.5 W x 46.25 H. What we like? This nativity scene features a beautiful silhouette design, perfect for a subtle yet elegant display. It's made of weather-resistant PVC, ensuring it can withstand various outdoor conditions. If you're looking for a classic and understated nativity scene that's easy to set up and store, this is a great choice for your yard. What people say. The figures are beautiful and the perfect size. The lights are bright and the colors are vibrant. It is very well made and will last for years to come. Number 4. Blow Mold Light Kit Replacement. Are your holiday decorations looking a little dim? This replacement light kit is the perfect solution. It's designed to bring your blow mold plastics back to life, whether it's for Halloween, Christmas, or New Year's. This light kit comes with a 36-inch cord, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This gives you flexibility in how you choose to display it. It's designed to be durable and long-lasting. The light kit is designed to fit a circumference of about 3.5 inches. It's easy to install and will fit a variety of decorations. This ensures a secure and reliable fit. This light kit is great for Christmas village houses, Santa Claus, snowmen, reindeer, pumpkins, and more. It's a versatile choice for all your holiday decorating needs. It will make your decorations shine. The kit includes one replacement cord with a socket and easy-to-follow instructions. It's a simple process to get your decorations lit up again. You'll have your decorations glowing in no time. This replacement cord is compatible with general foam blow mold products and many others. It's a reliable and convenient way to keep your decorations looking their best. It's a great value for the price. What we like? This light kit is a simple solution to keep your blow mold decorations shining bright. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, offering flexibility in your display. If you have existing blow mold decorations that need a refresh, or if you are looking for a quick and easy way to light up your Christmas village, this replacement cord is perfect. What people say. Worked perfectly to replace the one in my vintage blow mold, so happy that we bought this. Fit perfectly in my old Santa Claus. Works as it should. Number 3. Complete Nativity Scene, Weatherproof Outdoor Christmas. This large nativity set is made in the USA. It's constructed with fade-resistant PVC plastic and UV-resistant inks. The figures are designed to withstand various weather conditions. Setting up this Christmas scene is a breeze. You can assemble it in about 20 minutes. The collapsible design makes it easy to store. This nativity scene adds a reverent touch to any holiday decor. It's perfect for home yards, churches, and other Christmas displays. The display includes the Holy Family, baby Jesus, and other classic elements. You'll find the 3 wise men, an angel, and various animals. We are a family-run company. We are dedicated to helping families celebrate their faith with our long-lasting, American-made products. We hope it brings joy to your Christmas. What we like? This nativity scene is made with quality construction and designed for easy assembly and storage. It includes a complete set of figures, creating a full and reverent display. If you are looking for a large, durable, and comprehensive nativity scene to celebrate the true meaning of Christmas, this one is a great choice. What people say. One for display at home was perfect and very easy to assemble. Just slide the figure on the stake for support. The display was subjected to 35 miles per hour wind gusts and heavy downpours, at various times days, in Tucson, Arizona since the day it was set up, and I was impressed because it held up very well. Number 2. Best choice 6 feet lighted nativity scene. This beautiful silhouette will illuminate your front yard. It's a heartwarming snapshot of the Holy Family, perfect for spreading the Christmas message. This scene depicts Joseph, Mary, and baby Jesus. It's a wonderful way to celebrate the season and remember the reason for Christmas. The scene is illuminated by 190 environmentally friendly LED lights. They remain cool to the touch and are powered by 4 two-prong power cords, lighting up the night. Designed with a sturdy wire frame, it can withstand harsh weather conditions. Extra zip ties and ground stakes are included for secure placement. Setting it up is simple, just connect the wires and secure with zip ties. When the holidays are over, you can easily fold it up for storage. It measures 63 inches long and 71 inches high. What we like. This nativity scene lights up the night with 190 LED lights, creating a warm and inviting display. It's built with a sturdy frame to withstand wind and weather. If you like a bright and eye-catching display that spreads the Christmas message, this lighted nativity scene is perfect for your yard. What people say. Easy to assemble LED lit manager set that is lightweight, but looks great at night. Very nice and easy to put together. Beautiful in the day without lights and even more beautiful at night with the lights on. Number 1. Blow Mold Nativity Scene with Lights. This beautiful nativity scene is made of durable poly resin, designed to withstand the elements. It's perfect for adding a touch of holiday spirit to your outdoor space all season long. Mary and Joseph are illuminated with standard Type A bulbs, creating a warm and inviting glow. Baby Jesus shines brightly with a C7 bulb, included with the set. Crafted for outdoor use, this nativity scene is weather resistant, ensuring it remains a stunning display throughout the holiday season. You can confidently place it in your yard. The set features a realistic look with painted faces, adding a special touch to the scene. It's a beautiful representation of the Holy Family. This 28-inch 3-piece nativity set is proudly made in the USA. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor decorating, bringing the perfect holiday touch to your home. What we like. This nativity scene is made of durable poly resin and features lighted figures for a warm glow. It's made in the USA, ensuring quality and supporting local craftsmanship. If you are looking for a classic, lighted nativity scene that will last for years, this is a great option. What people say. Few pieces so easy to assemble. This is very well made and sturdy. Great for outdoor use, they look beautiful, and will probably last for years to come. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.